All right, you need to prepare the house for a cold weather night. You know, typically, unless the temperatures are going to get down into the mid to low 20s and stay there for a while, you usually don't have to worry about a lot of freezing. But even if you're going down to 30 degrees, I really recommend you undo the hose from your hose bibs. And the main reason for that, there's typically water in the hose, and that water will freeze. It'll come right up in the hose bib and freeze your pipes. Secondary thing, you need to protect it. So yeah, you can go buy one of these styrofoam covers, put it over the handle, pull it tight, and you know what? You're protected. You're done. You don't have to worry about it. Maybe. The other thing you can do, if you're like me, you typically forget about going out and putting this thing on. You wait until the night of the freeze, you run out in your pajamas and you just grab a towel, fold it over, and wrap it around the pipe. Now, I've had some old school plumbers tell me, oh, that's not going to work, it doesn't protect the pipe. It's no different than any other insulation. It's given it a body of air to protect the pipe. If it's a windy night, you can take some duct tape. I prefer to use the blue tape nowadays because this is something I'm going to want to take off again, and the blue tape comes off a whole lot easier than the duct tape does, but this will protect the pipe. In the old days, before we had all the styrofoam covers and stuff, it used to be done with newspaper, and even in the northern states, that's the way they did it. This will do just fine for what we have here in Texas.